In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge two PowerPoint presentations into one. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to bring slides from one file into another, while keeping your formatting as clean and consistent as possible. Let's start by opening the presentation that you want to use as your main file. This is the deck you ultimately want everything combined into. Once that's open, take a moment to scroll through it so you know where you want the new slides to appear. It might be at the end of the deck, or right after a specific slide, depending on how you're structuring your presentation. Next, look at the slide thumbnail pane on the left side of the screen. Click on the slide that you want the new slides to come after. This is important, because PowerPoint will insert the incoming slides directly below the one you select. If you want them to appear at the end, just click the final slide in the list. Now, go to the top menu and click on the Home tab if it's not already selected. In the Slides group, look for the option that says New Slide with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click that arrow to open more options. From that menu, choose Reuse Slides. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen. In the Reuse Slides panel, click the button that says Browse, and then choose Browse File. Navigate to the PowerPoint file that contains the slides you want to import. Select it, and click Open. A PowerPoint will now show you thumbnails of all the slides from that second presentation in the panel. From here, you have two main choices. If you want to bring in all the slides from that file, right-click any slide in the Reuse panel and select Insert All Slides. PowerPoint will drop them into your main deck, directly after the slide you selected earlier. If you only need certain slides, just click on each one you want, one at a time, and they'll be inserted individually. You'll also see an option at the bottom of the Reuse panel that says Keep Source Formatting. Turn this on if you want the imported slides to keep their original design and layout. Leave it off if you want them to automatically match the theme of your main presentation. Once everything is inserted, review your merged stage deck. Scroll through to check that the order makes sense and that the design looks consistent. Make any small adjustments to titles, fonts, or layouts, and you're done. That's how you merge two PowerPoint presentations into a single cohesive file.